guys, I'm Bhumika. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time watching me, I do beauty, fashion, tutorials, videos, travel vlogs, shorts, a mix of things here on my YouTube channel. So if you like what you see, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button. And today I'm going to talk about 10 things every girl should own. These are like must-haves and they will make your life very easy in terms of fashion, beauty and just life in general. Yes, let's quickly get started. First of all of these things are available on Amazon. I will include all the screenshots of the products and the links in the info box below. Also, Amazon has their fashion and beauty sale going on. It started yesterday on the 4th of May and you can get 50 to 70% off on 1 lakh plus styles. There are a lot of amazing deals going on right now, so do check out the Amazon sale. I'll include the links to all of these products in the info box below, and if not the exact, I'll include similar products. So yes, let's quickly get started. First off are these things which are very essential and I think they have been very in right now. These are nipple pasties and they come in this black cover like this, which becomes very handy to store and travel with. And these are a set of 4, like you get 2 and 2, and they come like this, covered in plastic packaging. And what you can do is remove the plastic. So what you need to do is remove the plastic whenever you want to use it and stick them on, and whenever you are done using them you can cover them with plastic again and store them in this box, and you can reuse them. So one pair will last you a couple of uses, so these 2 pairs will last you quite a good number of uses, and it's very affordable and very good for the price. And when can you wear this? Now you can wear this whenever you have wearing a dress that is backless and has cutouts, so you cannot wear a bra. You can only wear this with an outfit which is slightly fitted and will give you a little bit of support, because if you need lift and support, if you're someone like me who is heavy chested and needs additional lift and support apart from the nipple pasties, what you can do is, coming on to the second item, you can use a boob tape. It looks like a normal tape, but it is like a cloth material and it has a very strong adhesive. This is how it looks. I'll include the pictures on how you can use it and different ways you can use it. The most common way is to use it like this, taking it behind and pulling it and taking it behind, but make sure you wear nipple pasties inside and take the tape over it, because while removing the tape it can be a little difficult, but using a moisturizer or oil will help this slide off and this will come off easily. But since the main area is like a little sensitive, it's better to use nipple pasties first and then go over it with a boob tape. And if you're small chested, just the nipple pasties will also be enough. And if you're someone like me or you need additional lift and support, a boob tape along with nipple pasties will be very handy. Also, you get the boob tape in many different colors. There's black and white and stuff. I always prefer nude whenever it comes to lingerie or anything, because being skin colored, it works with anything and everything and doesn't show through. Now, sticking to the lingerie part, I would highly recommend everyone to get a good strapless bra with a wide strap and a good amount of support. Especially again, if you're someone like me who is heavy chested, big wide cup and big strap will be very helpful, give proper lift and support. And again, this strapless bra will be very helpful for any kind of like thin straps or off shoulder stuff. Another important thing is the tummy shaper. This is how it looks. Now this is very stretchable and it will completely lift and cover and support your tummy and the entire region around the hips and tummy till like around the thigh area. If you're wearing anything fitted like a bodycon dress or a midi skirt which is like fitted, anything slightly fitted and you want some shape and definition to your body, this will be very helpful. So this is something for the lower area. These 4 will be very helpful for any kind of fashion emergency. Your lingerie will be sorted and you can wear whatever you want. One very important hygiene related thing will be panty liners. These ones are from Sophie. How it looks, it is like a mini pad, perfect to use on the last 1-2 days of period where there's little bit of spotting but not much of a heavy flow. And another very important use for these is whenever you are going for a wedding or an occasion and you get a lot of sweat marks around your underarm area, these work as sweat pads as well. Just stick them normally like you do it on a panty on the inner part of your cloth, your dress or top or outfit, and just stick them inside, and these will absorb all the sweat. Won't get those nasty sweat marks, will sometimes be embarrassing on a special occasion or something like that. Even on days when you get the white vaginal discharge, these are helpful for that as well. Another thing I would recommend is these clear elastic bands will again be very helpful. A few ways I can tell you right now. I'm pretty sure you must have seen all those TikTok hacks. What you can do is, if you have like a long sleeve, elastic band here over the sleeve and lift the sleeve won't come down and it will stay in place whole day. And if you are wearing like a loose top or dress and you want something fitted and definition, you can use a bangle or coin and put the inside, covering it with a rubber band. It will give you a nice shape and definition and a nice silhouette to your dress. There are multiple hacks you can do with rubber bands, and also clear elastic rubber bands look good on the hair as well. Stick bands always look much better on the hair than those colorful ones, so I would always prefer the clear ones. And bobby pins, of course, those are also like a must have. Now next is this mini razor. I'm not sure if any other brand also makes this kind of mini razor with the box. I love the fact that it comes with the box, because this makes it very handy to keep it in your bag. Even when you're going on a short 2-3 day trip or a 4-5 day trip or any trip, keeping this will be very helpful, because first of all it comes with the box, and secondly it is like so tiny that yeah, it can fit anywhere. This is like perfect for the hair emergency, because someone who shaves, and with shaving, you know, the hair grows back quickly in like 2-3 days. So when you want to wear something short and you have an hair emergency, keeping this will be of course very helpful and handy, and you can shave like immediately in just a minute and wear whatever you want. So yes, it's like perfect for your bag. So yes, definitely recommend a mini razor along with a storage box, and this Venus one is like a savior. Again, for hair care emergencies is a tweezer. Tweezers are like so helpful for any kind of like random hair, especially like the eyebrows and the upper lip. Yes, everyone definitely needs a tweezer in their life. Next, I have clear heels. These are how they look. They are block heels and they are clear and transparent. Now my previous pair, I used them for 3-4 years. I wore them so many times for every event and for like under any outfit, and they were completely worn off. So I bought this new one. I think these were for around 800-850. I will of course include the screenshot and the links, everything. Clear heels, because they go with anything and everything. Whenever you're confused about what footwear to wear with an outfit, or you can go for these clear heels. These work with Indian, with Western, with Indo-Western, with fusion, anything and everything. And I have two bonus items, two bonus must-haves. They are both from skincare. First is a cleanser, a cleansing balm. Now if you wear makeup, or even if you wear like sunscreen, don't cleanse or remove that properly, your pores will be clogged and you will break out, and there is no stopping that. So it is very important to completely cleanse your skin and remove all the sunscreen and makeup. And this Plum E-Luminance simple cleansing balm is one of the affordable ones available in the market right now. It's a huge tub and you get a lot of quantity is like a lot. You just need a little bit, just need to take little bit, rub it in your hands and massage it all over the face, and take off makeup from every pore and every corner. Massaging it for like 30-40 seconds. Just take a little bit of water and emulsify it, and then wash it off with any normal gentle cleanser you have. Any face wash is okay, but always double cleanse. That will be life changing for your skin. If you are not double cleansing yet, that could be one of the reasons you are getting acne and breakouts. So definitely recommend double cleansing. I have heard very good things about the Plum one. I haven't tried the Plum one yet, so I got this one. And last but the most important step is a sunscreen. If you're not wearing sunscreen, don't even bother taking care of your skin. From hyperpigmentation to melasma to enlarged pores to any kind of acne problem, your acne scars not fading, all sorts of skincare problems are because you are not protecting and taking care of your skin. You have two tinted sunscreen options for you guys, because if you have any kind of redness, uneven skin tone, a tinted sunscreen will help with that. I have used the 1% hyaluronic sunscreen gel from Derma, and it is pretty good, and they have launched a tinted version. So I wanted to see how the tint is and I wanted to try it out. It comes in a pump packaging like this, and this is how the tint looks like. The tint is pretty good. It is not very pink, neither yellow. It is like a neutral tint. but it gives no white cast and blends really nicely, and it is pretty matte and silicone, so this will be perfect even for oily skin and for summers. Bit of coverage and evened out the skin tone as well. You can see the difference. I quite like it. I'm pretty impressed with the formula. Another tinted option is this Qurez SPF 50 mattifying sunscreen, and it has PA 4+, and it is free of oxybenzone and OMC. So even if you have sensitive skin, this will work great. I've heard a lot of good things about this, so I wanted to give this a try. This is how it looks. Now this one is not mattifying, as you can see. It's very dewy and nice and blends well. It's very soft, and again the tint is pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with these two, and these are perfect for everyday wear when you want little bit of tint and coverage, plus get sunscreen protection as well. Yes, these were all the things every girl should own. This will make your life very easy. So yes, let me know your thoughts if you already stock all of these, if you already own all of these, and if not, you can check out the links and buy them during the Amazon sale. Like this video, please don't forget to give this a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will talk to you guys soon. And also the previous giveaway winner is Aisha Fur. I wanted to announce the giveaway winner. I had completely forgotten. The winner is Aisha Fur. Congratulations. Please mail me your details. My email ID is in the info box below, and I will be announcing a new giveaway in my next video, so wait for that. I know this is a very long video and I've blabbered a lot, but yes, thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys. Bye.